विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार. बुधवारा मडगांवां संयुक्त वीज नियामक आयोगाची एई आनी जेई बरोबर जनसुनावणी जाली. वीज खात्याच्या वेबसायटीचेर खुबश्यो चुकी आसात. त्यो चुकी खात्याच्या सामकार हाडल्यात म्हण ह्या वेळार रोनल्ड मार्टिन्स उलयला. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
So today the Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission JERC had its hearing, a public hearing on the petition filed by the Goa Electricity Department. This hearing was for the first time in Margaon and in South Goa district. The purpose of this hearing is to give an opportunity to the consumers to give their suggestions and objections to the issues that have been put in the petition by the Electricity Department. Now Electricity Department has come to the Commission with a petition to finalize the tariff for 2018-19. Now in this tariff petition, it is very important for them to show their position about revenue. Now in that revenue position, they have shown that they are having a gap of revenue of nearly 470 odd crores. So our submission in today's hearing was that if the department can get already 300 and odd crores from the government, might as well this 79 also they can take from the government, because the department has failed miserably in the service and administration to the consumers. Today we have pointed out, for example, how in the petition itself they have put the wrong website. The real website is Goa Electricity. They have written Electricity Goa. Now, when you go on the website, you are supposed to download the petition. So many consumers were going on the website, and the website was not. Then they put wrong email IDs also. So we pointed it out today that they have reached such a stage that Tencha website is there, their own website. They are saying the minister is Mr. Milind Naik, when actually the minister is Mr. Pandurang Madkekar. They on their website are saying that the chief electrical engineer is Mr. Bajekar, but the existing chief electrical engineer is Mr. Reddy. So today we have brought before the commission various lapses on the part of the department, and we have pointed out to the commission that the time has come that strict action has to be taken against this petitioner, that is the electricity department. Only then they will improve, and we are confident that not only the submissions of Goa Can and the various civic and consumer forums from South Goa who have spoken today, even those who have spoken from the side of industry, I am confident that this will have an impact on the Honorable Minister, Mr. Madkekar, who will think twice about what is going on